Hello, welcome to the World News Journal. Please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. The Southern Lights, commonly known as the Aurora Australis, is one of the world's greatest wonders. Travelers come from across the globe to witness the spectacular natural light display in the high altitude Antarctic region. The Southern Lights are much more elusive than their Northern Hemisphere counterpart, Aurora Borealis. There is significantly less landmass in the Southern Hemisphere and fewer ideal viewing spots to see the aurora. However, the Southern Lights are just as, if not more, impressive. Boasting a breathtaking color palette that goes beyond the green and blues commonly seen at the Northern Lights to include pinks, purples, oranges, and golds. Those lucky enough to witness the spectacle are guaranteed an awe inspiring experience they will never forget. The Southern Lights, the science behind an aurora. The aurora australis phenomenon occurs when charged particles from solar winds bombard the Earth's atmosphere and interact with gases in our planet. These highly energized particles were emitted from the sun and smash into the Earth's magnetic field at more than 6 million kilometers per hour. For the most part, Earth is protected from solar winds by the magnetosphere. The magnetosphere is a region of space that surrounds the Earth's magnetic field and has the primary purpose of preventing cosmic rays, such as solar winds, from entering Earth's atmosphere. However, occasionally, at particular times of the year, a few charged particles from solar winds make their way through the magnetosphere into our atmosphere. The charged particles move along the Earth's magnetic field lines towards the south and north pole. When they reach each of the poles, they collide with atoms in the atmosphere, particularly nitrogen and oxygen, and become increasingly charged. Once the electrons settle back down to their normal level of excitement, they glow, creating the magnificent light display we know as an aurora. The resulting colors are dependent on which atom the charged particles strike and the altitude at which the collision occurs. Although many colors can be seen, the green, blue, and violet hues tend to dominate, with red more often seen when the lights occur at higher altitudes. The best location to see the Southern Lights. The best place to see the Aurora Australis is South Georgia Island. The island is one of the most southerly landmasses in the world and is encased in ice for much of the year. Although the environment is far too harsh for permanent human residence, many cruise ships choose to stop here during the summer months. When the weather warms up, around 2,000 people populate the island, and basic facilities are made available. When the solar cycle is at its optimum, Aurora Australis can be seen from anywhere in the extreme southern hemisphere, including from the deck of any cruise ship. There have also been sightings as far north as New Zealand, southern Australia, and southern Argentina. However, given Antarctica as far south as you can go, nothing beats the continent itself. From here, the lights are at their most vibrant, most visible, and most impressive. When to see the Southern Lights? For the best chance of seeing the lights, you need to travel as close to the Antarctic winter as possible, with peak conditions occurring between March and September. However, the depths of the Antarctic winter are certainly not hospitable to any traveler, with average temperatures plummeting to -50 degrees Celsius, harrowing winds, and dangerously icy conditions. In fact, travel during this time is discouraged and practically impossible unless you are on a research expedition. Luckily, there are excellent opportunities to witness the light well into March, with year-round sightings often reported. Thanks for watching. For more new updates, please subscribe to the World News Journal.